What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. It's yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. As you can see, the investing account is sitting at $63,121.34. Today, we ended the day on a pretty good note, or a pretty high note. The portfolio today made $391.67, or a 0.62 increase, a percent increase today. Buying power sitting at $842.06. Cash earning interest is $342.06, but that's gonna continue to go up to match the buying power pretty soon. I just made some contributions to the buying power today. Okay, Bitcoin is sitting at $102, $102,885,000, y'all. So Bitcoin's going up pretty good. It was actually up more than that earlier. It kind of came down a little bit, but it's okay because, like I said, I'm just kind of buying and holding Bitcoin right now, long term, to see what happens. Ethereum, the same way, is at $32.39.58, and same thing with Ethereum. I bought a little bit of that just to see what it would do, and I'm gonna continue to let it ride. Now, into the stocks and ETFs. A pretty green day today. That's good. That's a good sign for the market, guys. Ever since the Federal Reserve, the CPI and PPI inflation reports come back, the Federal Reserve has no choice but to, lower short-term interest rates. So we're going to be on the lookout for that. As for me, though, we're going to continue dollar cost averaging into our favorite ETFs and stocks, and so we can transfer this wealth to ourselves. I'm going to start off right now with my number one ETF, SPLG. SPLG is the SPDR S&P 500, sitting at $71.25. It was up today 0.55%, but this evening, tonight, and overnight, it had a slight sell-off of 0.11%. People just taking profits for the most part. I got 208.57 shares of SPLG. Market value is $14,860.65. Average cost is $63.59. Total return $1,604.36. I'm up by a 12.10% increase on the investment. It's pretty good. Next up, we got LTEC. LTEC is our Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF. It's ended the day at $191.89. It was up today $3.72. Even in the overnights, it went up slightly. We got 10.79 shares of LTEC. Market value is $2,070.76. Average cost is $169.96. And then we have a total return of $236.67, or 12.90% increase. Y'all, this is the FTEC, the Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF. This is for high growth, high reward. So we're going to continue investing in LTEC to help boost the overall price of the portfolio. LTEC is our big boy growth ETF. Guys, I also mentioned about DGRO, the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. It is dividends and growth at the same time, all in one. But I also mentioned to you guys that it's not growing as quickly as I would hope. And I asked you guys before, would you like for me to sell this position and actually put the money, reinvest the money into other assets to make it, work out better for me? Right now, I got 74.41 shares at DGRO. Market value is $4,685.11. Average cost is $56.78. Took a small pullback today of $11.16 loss, but overall, we're up $459.88, a 10.88% return. Ooh, LTEC doing pretty good. So, I may just hold on to LTEC. But you guys let me know down in the comments below if I should not LTEC, but DGRO, if I should let DGRO go or should I keep it, because they got good growth and they even got even better dividends. So just let me know. And then, of course, y'all, we got our value stocks like Walmart sitting at $93.30. Walmart was up in the day's market and up in the aftermarkets. I got 110.44 shares of Walmart. That's $10,304.60. Average cost is $57.75. And then total return is $3,926.63, or a 61.57% return. Walmart is absolutely crushing it. Year to date, we're already up 3%, over 3% year to date. This stock has no signs of slowing down. Like I said, we're up already over 60% on the year. Next up, guys, look at it. I'm going to show y'all Serve Robotics. Serve Robotics is at a good buying position right now. It was down today in the market, $1.49, or almost 8% down. I got 10 shares of Serve. Market value is $179.79. Average cost is $8.67. And even though we had today's return of in the negative, we have a total return up 107.37% of $93.09 total return. Serve Robotics. Guys, I wish I would have bought 100 shares of Serve Robotics back when it was $8 and something a share. Next up, I want to take a look at Google Alphabet Class A, sitting at $198.48. Guys, I got nothing but good vibes from this company this year. 2025, I feel like it's going to be a year of the Google, Alphabet Google Class A, Class C. I got 12.71 shares right here of Class A. Market value is $2,523.46. Average cost is $144.36. And total return, we're up $688.14, or a 37.49% increase. Guys, and here we go with the Google Alphabet Class C, $200 a share. I got 4.92 shares of Google Class C. Market value is $984.77. Average cost is $180.20. And then total return is $97.74, or 11.02%. Not bad, y'all, for a headbanger of a stock with Alphabet. Nvidia is up, y'all, to 145.51. Had a slight sell-off this evening, but that's okay. Share size is 54.71 shares. Market value is $7,961.71. Average cost is $118.26. We're up total $14.91.70, or a 23.05% increase on the dollar. Nvidia is doing what Nvidia do, and is making a lot of money. Traditional RA account is at $45,557.31. We had a really good day today in the market. $905.44 is what my portfolio made. But in the aftermarkets, we sold off about $287. That's okay. Let's continue on. Buying power. We have $2,575.28 in the buying power, sitting there on reserve for whenever something good pops off. Right here, we got 150 shares of that same NVIDIA company. Market value is $21,820.50. Average cost is $109.98. And then we have a total return of $5,323.16. That's over a 32% return, guys. Look at that. Total return, $5,323. Y'all, if I wanted to, I could cash that out and pay for my vacation. If I wanted to, I could take my NVIDIA profits, total returns, and also take my profits from Walmart, because you guys remember the Walmart one was over $3,000. And man, I could probably go buy a small car. Just saying. Next, guys, I want to take a look at Palantir Technology. Palantir is sitting at $76.37. It's up today 5.16%. And then, you know, it get ready to do what companies that like Palantir do. So Palantir, I'm sorry. They got an earnings call coming up in 10 days, guys. Right now I got 16.73 shares of Palantir. Market value is $1,278.16. Average cost is $67.83. Total return $142.87. I'm up 12.58% in this position. And what I meant earlier about what this company does is, and it does basically what this company would do, is basically what that means is you got to study the patterns. Sometimes the price of this thing is up. Sometimes the price of this thing is way down. And you need to buy this in the dip so you can continue to build your wealth, because when it rises back up, you can be able to sell if you got it as a short. But if you have this as a long-term play in your portfolio, then just buy and hold Palantir and accumulate the shares, because I feel like they're the leader in their division, their sector, just like NVIDIA is the leader in their sector. Well, guys, I'm telling you, that's about it for right now. We'll get into some of the other stocks a little later, the MicroStrategies and the AMDs. We'll get into that a little later. Right now, we're sitting at $108,691.92. This is the highest portfolio has ever reached, guys. So thank you for tuning in to this. Thank you for your help and support. And you guys have kept me going and kept me motivated. I really appreciate that. Man, any kind of comments, concerns, or questions, drop them in the comment box below. My name is KJD Investor. This has been another great episode. So I hope you guys got something from this. Write me down below. Let me know how you feel. This is KJD Investor signing off. Peace.